How to change iPhone app icons. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the shortcut app on your iPhone, then simply tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then in the search address bar, all you have to do is simply type down open apps. So once you type down the open app, you will get to see app with blue highlights option available there. Tap on it. Then all you have to do is simply you will get to see list of apps of your iPhone. From there, tap on one which icon you want to change. Now tap on the share icon available at the bottom tab. Scroll down and tap on the add to home screen option available there. Once you tap on the add to home screen, all you have to do is tap on the photos icon available there. Once you tap on the photos, tap on the choose photo and scroll down and tap on the photo you want to upload. Now, once you choose the photo, all you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on the save button available. Go back to the home screen and there you can see tap on it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.